Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If system restore is not working on your computer, then watch this video for the solutions. The first thing you need to do is to look for system settings, advanced system settings in the search tab. So view advanced system settings and we will click on system protection and we will click on configure and we can delete all the restore points. But normally what happens is this system restore, it does not work because you have not created a restore point to delete. So what you need to do is check that you have turned on the system protection, click on apply and OK, and then you need to create a restore point. Create the restore point by clicking create and naming it as you wish and clicking on create. Now this system will create a restore point and you can restore the system from this point if your system was stable at this point. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.